Volvo XC60's tailgate suddenly stopped working, so I tried some tricks from internet to fix it myself. The first suggestion I found was to remove the trunk lid opener and add some materials under the microswitch contact point. The idea was to get better contact by pushing the opener. Surprisingly, someone had already done this before. It turned out that the microswitch works, but not every time. The next idea to try was to clean the microswitch. Since I had no plans to remove it from the car, the cleaning had to be done from the outside. The moving part of the switch is surrounded by a red rubber seal, in which a hole had to be made in order to let contact cleaner into the switch. After making the hole, I thoroughly rinsed the microswitch with contact cleaner. After repeated testing, it was time for assembly. Even though someone had previously tried to improve the contact surface between the switch and the handle, I thought that I could try to make it even better, and I added more material to the already worn location of the handle. It turned out that the idea of adding a thick layer of additional material was not the best. The hatch began to open by itself when the handle was installed. It made sense to remove the added material and attach the handle as it was originally. I finally got the tailgate working again. Maybe it's temporary, but since I don't plan to replace the whole handle for the time being, I can conclude that the suggestion to clean the contacts paid off. Since there is now a hole in the rubber seal of the switch, I can clean the contacts again in case of future failures. Or if the problem becomes too frequent, I will consider replacing the handle.